James, we've been an investor in agribusinesses and soft commodities for many years. So we were a shareholder of GrainCorp many years ago, having identified in a drought year that was the time you wanted to buy a business to grain volumes, and we did very well for our unit holders in that investment. Similarly, we invested in Bega Cheese when it listed 3 years ago, and exited that position when Fonterra bid us for our stock at $4.95. So we understand the thematics and driving soft commodities, and it speaks to Australia's competitive advantage. So effectively, Australia is a very cost competitive and place to grow soft commodities, and so it is one of the competitive advantages. So a stock we've recently added to the portfolio is Ruralco. It's been a very strongly growing business in terms of the network of sites that they run. So it's a rural supplies business, and John Maher and his management team have now built a platform where they're looking to add a lot more services. So recently they bought a business called Total Eden, and that brings water supplies products to that suite of stores that they have. So now they can roll out another product set across the network. It's quite a counter-cyclical play, so demand for those products grows when times are drier and when some other traditional forms of income might be a bit lower.
Mm-hmm.
But it's a business that we think is very well positioned to grow going forward. You get upside in terms of exposure to growing commodity prices, and obviously as the farming sector does better, they'll be able to sell more services to those farmers and benefit from that.